robot vacuum. Who else? The Renegade robot vacuum. Zach has asked me to explain to all of you people, how this fuel source development works. Now, I sat down with my lab partners and we went through this for weeks and weeks, trying to work out how it worked. And one day we got there, and this is the results of our tests we did on how it works. So I made a flowchart. Start with this. You're driving your car, brum brum. You pull up to an orange light, and the indecision of whether to go or stop creates these feelings of nervousness, anxious, uncertainty, and worry. Now the Renegade robot, here he is right here. Oh, yep. He sucks these feelings up in here. Oh, he's got a heap of feelings in there actually also. See, there's an anxious, there's worry. He takes these, turns them into his fuel source. So I'll just fire him up at the minute. And we'll see what anxious and worry can do. Wow, that was quite impressive. That's about it, I think. Maybe.